Let's make beef macaroni. This recipe brings back a lot of childhood memories for me, and that's because I used to really love this brand of pasta, otherwise known as the macaroni brand. Okay, so in my clean pot I just added coconut oil before adding my finely diced beef, also adding my onions and ginger and garlic. Do not worry, all the list of all the ingredients used for this recipe will be listed in the description box. So all I'm just doing here is, frying this till I've gotten that, non-brown color, and this well-cooked look. This is another method for those who don't have beef stock or chicken stock. This method also works so well. Kindly like this video if you're yet to, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. In here, I'm just adding my scotch bonnet peppers. These peppers are quite hot before adding my ripe plum tomatoes. If you don't have ripe plum tomatoes, at this point, you can use tomato paste. But for me, ripe tomatoes, does a better job. And then fry this till I'm sure that all that slappy taste from the tomato, has become sweet. And also in another pot, I'm just boiling my pasta. The instruction for this pasta was actually 10 minutes, but I boiled mine for 5 minutes, and that's because I want them to still be very firm after the cooking process. This here is a quick sharp stew that tastes so good. Okay, so this is just me sauteing and just stirring this to perfection before adding my already parboiled macaroni. I just want to quickly say this, that when you parboil your macaroni, just add them while hot. Don't wait for it to cool down before adding it to your sauce. So here you can see me just sauteing my macaroni and the sauce, and you can see that they quickly gelled together before adding my vegetables. Oh goodness, this macaroni recipe is one that you definitely need to try. Thank you so much for watching, my beautiful people. I will see you in my next video. Stay blessed.